Hi nerds, got an unboxing here of something from Sideshow, and ordered this last year, and of course this everything takes a little bit to get here. Looking forward to this. Yeah. Pennywise, which we all know from It. Fortunately, I'm not allowed. Wife won't let me keep it in the bedroom. Okay. Here we go. Not sure which way is up, but there seems to be a window here. Okay, that appears to be the base. So I'll move that over. All right, neat. Okay, so we have a lot of components to this. There's some change out parts of it, and so that's sort of the setup. See the different heads, and some other paraphernalia. So let's get some of these components put together. Detail on this is always quite good. A lot of the products offered by Sideshow. We've got the one peg here. That'll be used for mounting. So I'm assuming there's a magnet in there, just like some of the other figures, for the head, and then I can see that there is a magnet for the arm that can be changed out. Two heads. I'm sure that to keep this up here, I'll probably have to put this one in the box for now. Some more detail that they have here. There we go. And of course we have the two arms. One with the hand empty, one with the hand holding a hand, which is probably more relative to the mouth with stuff. A little bit more gore. Although there should be one more holding the balloon. That's the one I'm more interested in. There we go. So this is the one I have a preference for. Yeah, that's more like it. Put this one back in and wrap. And the last component is part of the fence that goes in the back. There we go. That's yeah, I like. I'll just do a quick change out with the other head and the other arm. Do the arm first. So the magnet's pretty powerful, seems to really pull it off its stand. I definitely think it's a good idea to use two hands. While it does have a bit of weight to it, it does feel that if it even falls from here, just maybe 18 inches to the ground that it probably would break. So, and there we go. Pennywise, as ordered from Sideshow. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks.